I thought you were about to do a breathing treatment. What's that?
Breathing.
What's on your head?
A scuba diver.
Oh, you're going under the deep blue sea? Are you going to go find treasure? What kind?
Blue treasure.
What kind?
Real treasure.
Oh, real treasure. Man, what boat are y'all taking?
A real boat. But not with real pirates.
That'd be scary.
But Daddy will just punch him in the eye.
Oh, Daddy will be with us? We all get to go?
But how do we get there?
I guess we have to take a sailboat. You think?
No.
The wind will take us there. El viento. La viento.
No, we'll have
La
to
viento.
drive there.
Okay, let's drive there. In our minivan.